family recipe for our mac and cheese. And here I am. I've already started it right now. I've got the cheeses. My goodness, we've got pecorino romano, we've got asiago, oh, we've got sharp cheddar, we've got a little bit of Gouda in here with Swiss, and Monterey Jack. It's a lot. It's a lot of cheeses. I've got Greek yogurt to give it the creaminess, and sour cream. So I've got some bella mushrooms in there. You saute your onions. I've got onions. God, this thing smells amazing. I've got a lot of things in here. I've got garlic, minced garlic. So this is now going to go in the pan and go in the oven. I will show you the finished product later. Stay safe. Bye.